नमस्कार. आयज गोंयचो आवाज तुमचे मुखार वो विषय हाडटा and that is regarding the compensation to be given to the families of those who lost their loved ones in this battle against COVID-19. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा खुबशे आमचे लोक गोंयकार लोक जाणटे मिडल एज तरणाटे ल्हान भुरगीं खुबशी सोंपली इन दिस पेंडेमिक. आता फुडें वचच्या पयलीं I want to bring to your notice about an incident that happened in Jordan. ही एक country bordering Israel and Egypt. On 13th March 2021, so 2 महिने पयलीं, एका हॉस्पिटलान so patient lost their lives because of lack of oxygen. The people protested and the health minister resigned. Now, very interesting fact is the health minister is a doctor by profession who didn't have a direct role to play in the hospital. And the irony in Goa is mismanagement, the total failure of the government is headed by a chief minister who himself is a doctor, or he claims to be a doctor. But neither he nor the health minister will be ready to leave their chair. कोंकणीन आमची म्हणणी आसा, कोदेल सडपाक ना, कितलेय मरो कितेंय जावं. Now, why गोंयचो आवाज is demanding compensation for the families of those who lost their loved ones? कित्याक खुबशा फॅमिलींनी they happen to be the only earning members of the family. फक्त तांचे कामाक आसताले, जोडटाले आनी आख्खी फामील तांचेर डिपेंड आसताली. ही जे सिच्युएशन आसा, ही जी परिस्थिती गोंयांत जाल्ली आसा ती कित्याक जाली? आमकां खबर आसा मिसमॅनेजमेंट, फेलियर ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट, बट मोर दॅन दॅट, the health minister is on record saying he had been continuously advising the chief minister to close the borders, that this second wave is going to be dangerous, we may lose lives, and that is what is happening. But why did the chief minister refuse to close the borders, allowed all these people to come into Goa? Most of them probably would have been high risk cases of COVID. Second, municipality elections zale. The chief minister himself was campaigning everywhere. He wanted more and more people to come for his meetings. This is where the spread of COVID happens. So, he claiming to be a doctor and defying social distancing and whatever things are to be followed, itself shows that he was criminally involved in this entire episode. तिसरे म्हळ्यार एक न्यूज पोर्टल, very well read famous news portal, The Print, which is largely independent. It's not part of the Godi media. ताणी just हालीच 2-3 दीस पयलीं एक इश्यू हाडला, and in that they are claiming that 10 MLAs of the BJP in Goa, out of which 3 are ministers, they are involved in the hospitality business. तांची either 5-star hotels asa or 4-star or 3-star hotels asa. And they were the ones who put pressure on the government, on the chief minister, to ensure that the borders are not closed so that the tourists come. And what is the result? We have lost thousands of our people just to meet the greed and profit of these corrupt MLAs. And that is why Goincho Awaz is demanding compensation to be paid. तुमका खबर आसा हालीच the High Court of Bombay in Goa heard 3 petitions. तातून आमचे गोंयच्या आवाजाचे 2 वांगडी फुडारी, बाब रोशन मतायस आणि आर्थुरो डिसोजा, हे पेटिशनर आसात. The High Court did a marvelous job. The way they went about systematically, they kept saying we don't want to get into the blame game. But the way they investigated to find who was responsible, what was wrong, it clearly came out the government was clearly responsible for this entire thing. But even then, kodel sadpak na. So tumka ami ashwashan dita, we promise you, we assure you that गोंयचो आवाज विल कीप द फायट ऑन. आम्ही ह्या सरकाराक अशें सोडपाक ना. अँड ऑन अ पार्टिंग नोट, तुमकां खबर आसा लास्ट इयर ड्युरिंग द फर्स्ट पॅन्डेमिक गोंयच्या सरकारान 278 crores माफ केल्ले, वेव्ड ऑफ फॉर द काझिनो लॉबी. तुम्ही तर काझिनो लॉबीक वेव ऑफ करूंक शकता, जाल्यार आमचे हे धाकटे बिझनेसीस आसात पळय गोंयांत, तांचे कितें ड्युटीज अँड टॅक्सीस वेव ऑफ करिना. आणि बाय द वे, हे 300 crore जे सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटान दिल्लेले फॉर सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ लिबरेशन डे, वाय डोंट यू यूज इट as compensation for the families who have lost their loved ones? देव बरें करूं. जय गोवा, जय हिंद.